I'm John Tilstra from Wesmont Group Limited. I'm the CEO of the company. Wesmont Group Limited is a company that is owned and operated by family for families. It is a company that does residential construction as well as industrial construction and property management within the communities in BC. 4 parts in development process is zoning. Number 2 is environmental impact. Number 3 is civil. And number 4 is analytics. Not one is more important than the other, they're 4 number ones. The development process usually takes about 18 to 24 months on each project that we take on. And after we're done this, we take it to building permit, and then we transfer it over into our building construction department, and they handle it from there out.
My name is Sean Tilstra, and I am the Vice President of Wesmont Group. My favorite part of the construction process is breaking ground with the heavy iron excavators, dump trucks, and really breaking ground always gets my blood pumping. And then the second part and the last part really is seeing the completed residential home, townhouse, or commercial unit. We have many subcontractors that we treat as partners and we collaborate with to make these industrial projects come to what they are. So the process before we even tilt up our walls, we have to get all of our underground utilities in, get our footings in, and then our slab. And once the slab is poured, we move on to the process of forming for all the wall panels, doing the rebar works. And then at the very end, we wait about another week, and then we tilt the walls with a really large crane. And then once those are up, and then we can move on to structural steel. So after the walls are tilted, we move on to all of the steel joists get delivered, and then we start landing those one by one with the steel beams and the columns, and we weld them all in place. Right after that, we move into doing the steel stud, the large demising walls. And then once the steel studs are up, then we can move into the electrical and the plumbing and the HVAC and the gas lines and the sprinklers. And then once we kind of complete all of that, we work on simultaneously closing the building up with all of the glazings, the storefront, and the curtain wall. Towards the end, we work on the outside features that we like to put some thought into, is to try and make the outside really pop and stand out. Construction in a project like this involves many moving parts from excellent and quality trades.
My name is Roland Calapis. I'm the service manager at Wesmont. So leading up to the finals, we would check the whole building with the general construction or the mechanical system. This is ensuring that the building is free of fault. Once the final inspection is completed, what we do next is arrange a meeting with our clients for a walkthrough to ensure that they understand their new unit with confidence. What set Wesmont apart is the attitude of providing high-quality product and top-notch service.
We build great buildings that are sustainable, long-term in all our communities.